baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my weekly vlog. So this week was actually Christmas. It was Christmas on Monday, and I've just been spending some quality family time here in LA. So I wasn't really vlogging a lot, but here's a little montage to bring you up to speed with what happened this week. We tried to go to San Diego. We got a flat tire. Uh-oh. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. I took my mom for a pedicure on her birthday. We went to Manhattan Beach. It's just crazy because you can't see the water or the horizon. It's like all just one. We have made it to Laguna Beach. I think I have peanut butter and jam in my mouth from my sandwich I ate in the car ride. Oh my god, there's so many seagulls right now. I hate birds. Oh my god. It's a whale, you think?
I don't know, it could be. Straight out there.
I don't, oh, I see it, I see it, I see it. We got some really good acai bowls and dragon fruit bowls. I was suntanning, and we will see if I get completely fried. This is only an SPF of 10. I went swimming. I did a lot of swimming. It is cold out. It was like a hot tub. And there you go. Now you're caught up to today. Waiting for the cousins to arrive. I'm very excited. I don't think it's them. I didn't get the vibe. It's not them. I don't know. Is it them? Is it them? It's not them. Where? My family! Okay, so they have finally arrived. My cousins, my family. It's Megan, Rachel, Michael, in case you haven't met them before. We're actually headed to the beach house right now. They've never been to California. Come on, Dan.
I think you can do a great bath.
Ceiling. Did we just break it already? We've been in here for 2 seconds.
Not going near that thing.
Are you okay? Yeah. Give me the thumbnail. Wait, you have a scared face. Wait, that is the coolest door ever. Now it's just open. We're just on the beach. This is ridiculous. This room is insane. This is like a mirror. No, that's really beautiful. Why is this place so massive, guys? The injured. There's like 8 bathrooms in here.
Oh, this is the sound system for you. Yeah.
This is the coolest part. It's like a bunk bed with like a little bed underneath.
Yeah. Rachel's already up top.
Rachel! Yeah, watch Rachel just fall down. You're ground level now.
I'm not going up there.
It's a wonderful creature we've created over here, as you can see.
How are you liking California so far?
I'm loving it.
Her arms perfectly come out of the arms.
They grab a hold of this boogie board. So we literally just ran to the beach. We've been playing in the water and building sandcastles all day. I think the sun is just about to set, so we're gonna go have a barbecue. The water's ice cold, but we're from Canada, so we're like, ah, it's fine, it's warm. Venice Beach, you are treating us too pure. Is it that one or the square one? Get those veggie dogs cooking, Dan.
I like these little guys.
They're cute.
They're cute.
Wow.
Look, she's in a BuzzFeed article.
Someone tweeted at me. Thanks, BuzzFeed.
My skin feels so good right now.
It's like the most Jaclyn thing to get put in a video. Oh my god, this sky. Michael, it looks like it's a wallpaper behind you.
Maybe like a G pie and a meme where he's like looking at the thing.
Last night was so fun. We just played games all night. We were playing like Cards Against Humanity and like the Jackbox TV games and like Fibbage and Drawful. It was so much fun. It's just so nice to have like family time. These are like my cousins that I grew up with, so it's so nice to spend so much time with them. But anyways, it is like 7:30. We set our alarms to wake up, at least us girls did. We're gonna go for a jog on the beach and do some yoga, do a little workout. I've actually been doing the, is it Kayla Itzine's? The Bikini Body Guide, the Instagram girl. I've been following her workouts for a couple of weeks, so we're gonna do one of those workouts on the beach. Okay, so it's 10 burpees, 30 jump lunges, so 15 per leg, 15 lay down push-ups, that's gonna be hard in the sand. and then 15 sumo squats. Yes! We're having our blessed oatmeal to start off our day. Megan, what is the review?
I haven't eaten it yet.
Oh, well, take a bite and eat it for the camera. You know I make the best oatmeal.
No, you actually do.
Thank you. Let's go shopping. Okay, we need to get you sprinkles cupcakes, press freeze, all the like must eats at the Grove. My home, Charlotte. Okay, I got my pressed juice. I'm a happy gal. I got the romaine one. It's like romaine, matcha, and kale. So me. Anything green is just an automatic yes. Your first time eating sprinkles cupcake. Which one's the vegan? Oh, there's a V. What did you get, Meg?
I got a red velvet.
Classic.
Yeah.
One. You ready, Jack? Two.
Eat it.
Michael's not ready.
I'm not doing it with you guys.
Okay.
I'm just gonna eat my damn cupcake.
No swearing on this channel. Advertiser friendly.
Oh yeah. Quite moist. It's really good.
Oh, wow. Michael, any comments from you?
It's good.
It's good.
Success. Oh, yeah, that is a big boy. I don't even know what I ordered. It looks so good though. Thank you so much. The pink wall.
Straight face.
Is your Instagram even ready for it? No. Stay hydrated. He's hovering. He's sit just for the picture.
I'm not gonna sit.
Good morning. So we are going for a bike ride. We're gonna go to Santa Monica Pier and do all the rings and the hoops and things like that. Woo! Can you make me into that guy? What? What do you want to be?
The meme, the space meme.
Da, na, 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 na.
What if you actually made it?
What's your favorite meme of all time?
Peanut butter baby.
Oh, I like the Arthur like with his fist.
The monkey getting a haircut meme. For real memers only know that one.
Ruben. We're on our little foggy bike ride. We have to try the hoops, guys. I did a little bit of damage to my hands from that, guys. We're going on a little adventure in the canals. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, it's me. Whoa. What? We arrived back home from our long journey and stroll along Venice Beach in Abbot Kinney. It was a super fun day. Tonight is actually New Year's Eve, so I don't really know what our plans are. Probably just frolicking on the beach until 12 o'clock. I'm coming, guys! It is New Year's Eve. We are ready. Where are you guys? I can't see you. I'm coming! I'm coming! I see the light! We're running out on the beach right now. Are you there?
Yes. Hello. Hi.
What the heck is behind us?
Oh yeah, all the way
They're
down there.
really far down.
Yeah, I like
These are huge. Oh, that's cute.
Oh.
We're just so lucky. That was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. What a way to end the year though, with my favorite people watching fireworks. It's a rose. There's no thorns today. Look at this mansion. Are you kidding me? So I was just like, oh, is there a bathroom I could use? Like, I've been in the car for a while. And they're like, okay, yeah, there's like 13 bathrooms. Which one do you want? Like, what? I'm at number 6 right now. Is this a pool? Oh my God.